this point and this point. And V2 is nothing but the voltage drop across Z0, which is the output voltage. So output is taken here, that is V2 divided by V1 plus. So V1 plus. This is what we have to find out. So first step what we are going to do is, we have to find the total current here, IT. And from here, what is the total impedance? And you are viewing from this point. So here, if you see, these two are in parallel, and that combination comes in series with this. That is, ZT total impedance is equal to 50 plus J20 plus this 30 and 50 ohms are in parallel. So 30 in parallel with 50. So this will give you 50 plus J20 plus 30 in parallel with 50 will give you 18.75. 18.75 ohms. So that will give you 68.75 plus J20. If you convert this into polar form, you will be getting 71.60 angle 16.22. Okay. Now we know what is ZT. ZT means the impedance looking from these 2 points. Okay. The next step will be, now we know ZT total impedance at these 2 points. Now we have to find out IT. What is IT? IT is equal to 2V1 plus. This plus indicates the wave is traveling towards the port, input port. That's the meaning. Minus means it's a reflected wave or reflected energy from the 2-port source. So IT is total current, which is 2V1 plus is the source voltage divided by ZT. ZT is the impedance viewed between these 2 points. Okay. So the next step is, we know IT, so IT will travel in, this is series connection, up to this point it will be total current only, this value. Now I call this as load current, IL. So IL, you can make use of current division formula, that is incoming current IT multiplied by the other resistance, which is 30, divided by sum of the resistance, which is 30 plus 50. So IT value we know, ZT also we know. Okay. So IT, if you substitute, okay, this is there. Let it be like that. Now, what is V2? V2 is equal to IL multiplied by 50. That is, this load current multiplied by 50 will give you V2. Now you substitute for IL. So IL will be IT into 30 by 50 plus 30 is 80. This is IL. This value multiplied by 50. Okay. Now we should know what is IT. IT will be or IL or I2, the current here I call it as I2. So I into 30 by 80 multiplied by 50. So up to this, the value is IT we know, total current. Total current you can substitute here. So IL is equal to, for IT I can substitute 2V1 plus by ZT, this place, multiplied by 30 plus 50 is 80. Now this will become 40. This is IL. Now V2 or V out is equal to this IL. IL is this much, which which is V1 plus by Zt into 30 by 40. So bring this V1 plus here, that is V out by V1 plus is equal to 30 by Zt into 40. Okay. So V out is IT, this value V1 plus by Zt into 30 by 40, this value here multiplied by 50. Then only will get V out. So into 50. That is, this gets cancelled. So you will be getting 150 by 4Zt. 150 by 4Zt. Okay. Now already I told you how to find out this Zt. So Zt you know. So therefore S21 is equal to 150 by 4. Zt value is value is 71.60 angle 16.22. So after doing the simplification, so this will lead to